Among the charges, Zuma is accused from taking bribes from French company Thales to ensure that South Africa signed a multi-billion-dollar arms deal with the company in 1999. Zuma was deputy president of South Africa from 1999 until 2005, when he was fired from that role amid allegations of corruption, then president from 2009 until he was forced out in 2018 amid multiple graft scandals. Zuma was first implicated in corruption by prosecutors in 2005, but charges against him have been dropped and reinstated several times over the years amid allegations of political interference. Prosecutors allege between 1995 and 2001, Zuma and Thales were involved in an organized criminal enterprise. They also accuse Zuma of taking bribes from a former financial advisor as far back as 1995 in the exchange for using his political power to advance the advisor's business interests. On Wednesday, Zuma's lawyer filed papers calling for the removal of the chief prosecutor in the case, claiming he was biased and Zuma's right to a fair trial was threatened, which the judges promised to consider. Zuma could be jailed for 25 years if convicted.